KMES English Medium Junior College welcome its students for the online lecture of philosophy for Standard 12, Chapter 3, Who am I and what am I? For the topic, the scientific perspective. Students, in today's lecture of Chapter 3, Who am I and what am I? We are going to study about the following topics. 1. The scientific perspective. 2. The important points of the chapter. The scientific perspective. Philosophers and thinkers try to ask questions about the concept of self and our awareness and association with self. Scientists took this search ahead with the help of scientific methodology. Scientific methodology is nothing but a verifiable study of objective reality. The two branches of biology, namely evolutionary biology and neuroscience, try to explore our understanding of the self. As we compare humans with other animals, we find that other animals too must be aware of their existence, but humans are different in many ways. That humans always have awareness of awareness. Our species have been named as Homo sapiens sapiens on the basis of the same criteria. However, the puzzle is not entirely solved. Neuroscience is trying to perceive the question, what exactly is awareness or consciousness? We can call the collection of feelings, sensations and thoughts as awareness. Since it is the self that experiences feelings, sensations and thoughts, it is important to discuss awareness while discussing self. Evolutionary history of humans tell us certain important points about self. Evolutionary perspective tell us that humans are social beings. Living in groups helps them to deal with the various forces of nature. However, our sociality is not comparable with the societal or ultra-social organism like ants. You must have seen an anthill. A single anthill looks like a separate animal. However, it is a part of a super colony. Every ant has a given function. Only the queen is capable of laying eggs. It is because of the behavior ants are called as eusocial animal. Anthill is called as a superorganism. Humans are gorgeous about. They are not eusocial or superorganism. We do believe that every human being has his own aspirations and also the potential to fulfill these desires in the given framework of time, space and condensive and non-condensive environment. Each individual has a right to reproduce. It is important to know that the association between individual and society while trying to understand the concept of self in humans. In the machine era, because of the complexity of technology, humans have to come together artificially. That is more in number than their natural biological group. This gives rise to unending conflicts and compromise. Let's study this further in chapter Science and Technology. In the tradition of philosophy, we will find many such terms and the concept of mind, soul, spirit, etc. Today, science tells us that all these names ultimately denote only one organism, and that is brain. Brain is the basis of awareness. Brain undergoes many changes from childhood to adulthood. Different enzymes and hormones affect its performance. Thanks to neuroscience, we know now how all of this is ultimately connected with human behavior. If is the consciousness and intellectual one and the same thing, or they are different? This we will be discussing later. When we refer to awareness, we are basically talking about feeling, emotions and thoughts. Intelligence can be different types, as intelligence is pattern recognition, carrying out mathematical process. Intelligence is tool making, tool handling, etc. The most important aspect of human being is intelligence. Intelligence is to be able to change. Human domesticated other plant and animal by using his intelligence as a powerful tool. The 20th century saw the rise of modern day computer, and they kept on evolving. Today, as far as intelligence in data handling and data processing is concerned, computer proved to be far too faster and superior than human. On this background, as we witness the decoupling of awareness and intelligence, there is a great fear that we will computer do with human on the basis of sheer intelligence. Our idea of self may undergo sea changes in coming era. We will discuss it later. Students, there are certain important points to be remembered from this chapter. Like 1. From scientific perspective, brain is the base of consciousness. According to Charvaka, when different material substances come together in a particular combination, then consciousness is manifested. Charvaka does not accept immortality of soul and rebirth. According to Buddhism, impermanence is the essential nature of such real. Descartes proposed the theory of body and mind interaction, etc.